Welcome to this radio channel, and we are Monday, November 19th, 2018. And of course, today, at the beginning of the week, we'll be looking at what to expect in solar conditions and radio propagation. So, we do have a slight solar wind brushing against our planet, and comes from coronal holes that we've seen in the past couple of days. Actually, if you've seen my last video on the solar activity, there were some pretty big coronal holes, but these seem to have kind of, closed up pretty much. And right now, there's very little activity, a little bit of, solar wind may be brushing from here, but it's pretty quiet there. And the wind isn't that fast compared to what it could be. So until now, if we look at the K index, it hasn't really done anything bad. We were thinking maybe this weekend a little bit of, unsettled to minor geomagnetic storming. It didn't occur. It seems that our magnetic field is holding on pretty well. So that means conditions are actually amazing, and should continue to be amazing for the next few days. So I don't expect really the K index to move much more higher than 2 or 3, which means turn on that radio this week. I think we're going to have a nice week of activity. One of the interesting things that happened during the weekend is on Saturday, a sunspot appeared briefly. It was one of the next cycle sunspots. Yep, we've seen another reversed polarity sunspot. That means that, slowly we're getting there. It didn't last very long, lasted just a couple of hours and disappeared, but it was enough to be actually noticed and show us that slowly but surely we're moving on, even though we're still in solar minimum, and we're still expect to stay in solar minimum for a while. Solar flux at 72, thanks to one little sunspot that's on the edge of the sun right now. So of course, right here we have 2727, the sunspot right there, which is bringing our solar flux a little higher. That also helps in enhancing, even though solar flux units are very, very, very small increments from 67, 68 to 72. It still has an effect, and it actually does show in the bands that activity is a little higher than usual. So tune around, check out your signals. I tuned around yesterday with a lot of amazing signals. I will probably be tuning around with the ICOM receiver today, so might be posting some unusual videos of things I've received. So if you want to see what unusual signals I'm listening to, I'll probably be posting a few reception videos with the ICOM receiver today. So tune in to the bands, check it out. Conditions should stay rather quiet. We're still in solar minimum territory, which is expected to last a couple of years. But, we got to take what we have and enjoy the best that we can. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.